Alright, so I'm going to play Bundesliga Manager, the first one, really quick. It's in German, I think, so I'll have to translate as I go. Okay. Now it's loading. That's not very interesting. I should have started the video after that was done. Anyway. So you get to watch the first 2 minutes of the video with the game loading with an empty screen. Aren't you glad you clicked on this video? And we're waiting, and we're waiting, and we're waiting. Considering that it's a text-based game, that's quite the loading time. Mouse or joystick? J. Please wait. Bitte warten. How many players want to play? 1. Name of the first player. That's me. Please select a club. Of course, because I'm a BVB fan, I'm going to pick this. So if you happen to be watching from the city of Gelsenkirchen, feel free to quit the video and unsubscribe if you have subscribed, because yes, that's my favorite. Please wait. Of course. I'm waiting. So. I have 500,000 Deutschmark. Let's see the transfer market. I have to, admit that this game came out when I was 7 years old and I wasn't really that into club football, so I don't know most of these players. I guess this is Jürgen Klinsmann, Klaus Allofs, Rudi Völler. Yeah, I'd prefer to find a new goalkeeper. Let's see the league table. Yeah, I could have saved myself the trouble considering we haven't played yet. Yeah. So this is players, this is current stuff, this is finances, this is the club. Project, I don't know what that means. If I want to play, I have to click this. Meisterschaft means championship. This game has a lot of wait time. Please wait. Bitte wählen Sie above my name means please choose. Einsatz means how much effort you put into it, I guess. I guess I should set that to 100. Why would you have that lower? I don't understand. Probably something relevant in the game mechanics. First match day. KSV Baunatal. I don't even know that. And you see the ball moving in the wrong direction. Of course. And there's no way to influence this, as far as I know. I seem to be really bad. Like my team seems to be really bad. Or there is a way to influence this that I just don't know about. I've tried tapping around on the joystick. But it didn't do anything. At least no injuries. Injuries? None. That was terrible. The ball didn't even go into the opponent half. This game sure likes to load. Prior to this, I just played Sid Meier's Pirates, which is a much more complex game, and it doesn't have these waiting times. In fact, no other game I've played so far has these waiting times. That seems to be a software-related issue. Due to poor programming. Now it's the cuff. I'm going to play that and see if the ball still keeps going constantly in one direction. And if it does, then there's a way to influence the game that I don't know about. Then I'll have to experiment. If we finally get to the game. Wow, imagine playing this as a kid in 1990. You can clean your room while you wait and do your homework. The ball still only goes in one direction. Oh, now it goes. Oh. Now the game is stuck. I've experimented to see if I could influence the game. And it made the game crash. So I guess it loads a lot and then it crashes. Okay. I guess that's it. Maybe I'll play it again at one point after I read about how it actually works, because this was a really poor attempt at playing Bundesliga Manager.